Morning routine vocabulary and phrases.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn useful English vocabulary words that you meet in your morning routine.
Vocabulary words. 1. Alarm clock. 2. Snooze. 3. Wake up. 4. Stretch. 5. Yawn. 6. Get out of bed. Example mini story. At 7 a.m., my alarm clock rings. Sometimes, I press snooze because I'm still sleepy. Finally, I wake up and stretch my arms. I yawn loudly, and then I get out of bed. Bathroom words. 1. Wash face. 2. Brush teeth. 3. Toothpaste. 4. Toothbrush. 5. Mouthwash. 6. Comb. 7. Shower. 8. Towel. Example mini story. I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. Then, I brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Sometimes I use mouthwash for fresh breath. I take a quick shower and then dry myself with a towel. Finally, I comb or brush my hair. Getting ready words. 1. Get dressed. 2. Clothes. 3. T-shirt. 4. Pants. 5. Socks. 6. Shoes. 7. Mirror. 8. Makeup. 9. Skincare. 10. Perfume. Example mini story. Next, I get dressed. Today I wear a t-shirt and pants. Don't forget your socks and shoes. I look in the mirror to check my face. Sometimes, I put on skincare or makeup. And of course, a little perfume to smell nice. Breakfast words. 1. Kitchen. 2. Breakfast. 3. Cereal. 4. Bread. 5. Jam. 6. Eggs. 7. Coffee. 8. Tea. 9. Milk. 10. Juice. Example mini story. Now it's time for breakfast in the kitchen. Some days, I eat cereal with milk. Other days, I eat bread with jam. Many people like eggs in the morning. And of course, coffee or tea to wake up. Some prefer juice. Leaving the house. Words. 1. Bag. 2. Phone. 3. Keys. 4. Wallet. 5. Go to work. 6. Go to school. 7. Bus. 8. Car. 9. Walk. Example mini story. Before leaving, I take my bag, my phone, my wallet, and my keys. Then I go to work or go to school. Some people take the bus, others drive a car, or simply walk.
Ready? Great job! 8. We learned morning routine vocabulary. Waking up, bathroom, getting ready, breakfast, and leaving the house. Which word do you use most in your morning? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join me again for more English learning.